So let's... High energy, high energy.
Energy, energy.
Should we do a warm-up? We're just getting ready for the blooper section already. Y'all know how it is. Could we be more basic? Hi, welcome back to my channel.
Hello, I'm very white.
White girls drink white beverages.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Caitlin.
I never move my hands like that. How dare you?
Hi guys, it's me,
still.
Caitlin.
Okay, hi guys. It is me, Caitlin, and I have a very special guest, as you can see. My best friend in the whole world, HALYN, is here all the way from France. And today, we are going to swap our makeup bags. And since we're the exact same skin tone, this should work out perfectly. There will be no difference.
And also the same skill, like makeup skill. I'm definitely as talented.
More.
I know what I'm doing.
She was joking, but she does. She was doing makeup long before me, so don't even try and fool the people. Anyway, if you want to see this disaster go down, keep watching.
All right.
We have our Starbucks, and we are prepared. We definitely did not stay out too late dancing last night. We are awake.
Awake, awake, awake.
All right, are you ready to swap?
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Our bags are the same size and everything. All right, here you go.
Here you go.
Let's see what I got here.
If you think that I'm gonna understand what any of this is,
she'll get it. She'll be fine.
You're mistaken.
Guys, I have like special Japanese setting spray to work with by Style Nanda. Ooh, I'm really excited about this palette from Sugar Pill, not BH Cosmetics.
Oh my god.
But yeah, this palette is a collaboration with one of our favorite queens ever, Trixie Mattel, and HALYN did a whole Trixie look for Halloween. I'll try and insert it somewhere in here.
Listen.
Or down below.
It was correct.
Got a little benefit. Go ahead, dig in there.
Oh, I'm sorry. I have Pretty Vulgar. I have this thing that says Pretty Vulgar on it, and I know what to do with it.
She knows exactly what to do, guys.
Oh my god, this smells so good.
See? I would never lie to you, viewers and subscribers. It smells like the beach.
It? I have Superhero by It, or It by Superhero.
It by Superhero.
I don't know which it is. Oh, good.
Don't worry.
This is what beauty people do, right?
Yes, they hold it on their arm.
May I offer you some
Nalls?
Some nalls?
Nalls, anyone?
Yeah, some of these things are French.
Guys, it's about to get French. HALYN lives in Paris now. She grew up here with me.
Paris.
Around Austin, Texas, but she married a Frenchman and went off on a whirlwind romance. Was that French sounding?
It was something.
She smells the concealer.
I just want to know.
You don't use concealer?
No.
Oh my god.
There's no concealer in there. If there is, then I made a mistake because I don't know what concealer is.
Look at my face.
I know.
Broken out right now.
Now I know what it is because I've watched your channel. I just haven't found the time.
Okay. Well, I'm screwed. See you guys next year. All right, guys. We're gonna dive in. I'm gonna start by priming.
I'm also gonna use primer because I know the steps. I know which steps. I know how to do it.
I know steps.
I know steps.
She's doing the most. I'm using the color correcting one by Smashbox. Of course, if you don't understand primer, I have a video all about it. Go check it out.
I'm gonna go for foundation now because you need a strong foundation.
Do you? I'm gonna do my brows first because that's how I like to live my life.
I'm very stressed out.
As she puts the least foundation ever on the stage.
I'm also an illustrator. Thank you very much.
Mm-hmm.
And I think like makeup helped me realize like I have to go darker on my face, and also like when I'm doing an illustration. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that was something weird when I started YouTube, was realizing I have to put on 10 times more makeup than what I would put in person because, you know, there's a certain visual you have to get across through the camera and with the lights that wash you out.
Also doing Trixie Mattel's makeup like made me so much more brave with like very dark colors.
I bet.
You literally, like, I had to just like paint like a brown line from like here to here. It was a lot.
Feel free to do that today.
But you had to like trust the process because she has a few videos. Like,
oh yeah, no, I've seen her tutorials.
Yeah.
I do want to try and follow a drag tutorial on my channel. On a man though, I think my friend HALYN is gonna Let me do that on him.
Volunteer.
It's gonna be real fun.
Oh my god.
Brow pencils that don't have attached spoolies are canceled in 2019.
Oh my god. Who would ever? I don't know what to do with this.
You haven't been watching my channel.
I mean, I see you do it and I'm like, that makes so much sense. And I turn around and I'm like, what? I think it's just like getting over like the fear of makeup, I guess.
Oh, yeah.
It's like when people are like, because I have pink hair. And I've had pink hair since like 2011, 2012. And people are always like, I could never do that. And it's like,
why?
You really could.
Yeah.
There was like the day that I had never had pink hair, and then the next day
And
I had
every
pink
other
hair.
day.
Yeah, I mean, then every day for the rest of my life.
Well, HALYN's known me since long ago when I wore literally zero makeup.
Zero
forever,
makeup.
And I was just massively tomboy-ish and just
You were living your
nerdy
truth.
and all natural. And
Nothing wrong with that.
I don't know. I don't think anything has changed other than that. I just decided I liked makeup on accident.
Yeah. I'm putting on my setting powder on top of my foundation and my concealer.
She's using the cute little puff.
It's so cute. Look, it's pink. It has a little bow.
Alright.
We're
done.
Serving looks.
So I'm going to put this on.
I just have like a fear of like,
I'm going to be white.
welcome.
I'm going to be ghost white.
Welcome. You were. Oh my god. That's not your color.
America. Did you know that you were paler than me? Did you just realize in this moment?
Wait a minute. Did you guys watch Drag Race last night?
If you didn't,
Oh my god.
we can't be friends.
Gagged.
Unsubscribe.
Gooped.
Don't. Please don't.
Please don't.
Be
No
today.
spoilers, but I can't believe that RuPaul like zipped his like skin off.
Yeah,
and
that was the real reveal.
He was actually a horse all along.
And Michelle Visage is a lizard.
I mean, that's just facts.
Wait, we already knew that. No reveal necessary. There goes my possible RuPaul sponsorship. Okay. Well, I don't have any concealer. So moving on to setting my foundation.
I wish, you know what? I'm gonna start being a little bit more bold.
You should be.
I realize I'm just like doing what I do every day. Look at that.
If that's being bold, please don't. Go back to who you were.
No more bold.
Be true to yourself.
No, because I'm like, I made you wear this like white.
I've literally
white.
never even used that shade.
You use it every day.
It's so dark.
Just trying to contour in as much cheekbones as all French women have. Oh my god.
I'll tell you what though, she moves to France and then suddenly has that French skin, like that perfect skin. I don't understand how they do it.
The water, babe.
It really is. Like, I'm gonna go take a shower in France real quick.
I'm gonna go take
Be
a
back.
shower.
Be back in a min.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
There's like these boys. What are these boys?
Those are highlighting shades. I'm moving on to HALYN's little face palette here. It's got a little bronzer, blush, and highlight, so I'm gonna use all three of these on my face. The blush, or the bronzer's in Hula. I use Hula a lot, so that I'm at least happy about, because right now I need some color.
What are you supposed to do with bronzer?
You know, you warm up the face, you bring some color back. Some people like to use it also to contour a little bit if you don't want to do a full-on contour. You can brontour, as they say.
What?
Where you use your bronzer to contour. Brontour. This is real. Ooh, look at them grays. I need to get that touched up.
It's so pretty.
Oh, I'm so gray.
I didn't know that.
I'm nearing death.
Oh my god.
Rapidly.
Oh my god. Flying towards the grave, darling.
I always get annoyed that Toby acts like I'm dramatic, and then I'm like, I'm nearing my death, I have gray hair.
You're like, maybe it's a point.
My assistant at work one time, she was like, yeah, your nose sounds really stuffy, and I was like, that's because I'm dying.
Oh.
And she was like, you are literally the most dramatic person I've ever met in my life.
She's like, okay, Valentina.
I wish.
I'm gonna use highlight now. And thankfully I understand how to put it on. So this is gonna go well.
Yes, it is. It's gonna go perfectly.
Can I use this? No, I can't.
You can do whatever you want. Are you using one of those matte highlight shades?
Yes.
You're not doing a shimmery highlight?
I didn't know there was
I
one.
gave you the Becca one, remember?
That's highlight?
Mm-hmm.
I thought that was bronzer.
What? Please show them that you thought this was bronzer. When HALYN gets in the sun, her skin turns this color. That's how white she is.
It's like even funnier on camera than it is in real life.
I just want the world to know you're exposed.
Oh my god. It's one of your new ones.
Yeah, show them my Harry Potter brush.
She got Harry Potter brushes.
Toby bought me those for Christmas. They're so cute.
They're like it's like a little wand.
Where's my blush brush?
Axio highlight.
Hilarious.
Look, I'm not being paid to be here. Axio.
I say Accio.
Accio?
Yeah.
Okay, that's not even close. Back me up.
Don't back her because she's wrong.
Attack her in the comments.
I do need some more hate comments.
Unleash
so that
the
I can
hate.
feel successful. So if you guys hate me, please feel free to let me know down below. Wow. Any engagement is good engagement. Help those analytics, guys.
How do you say it?
Accio.
It is absolutely not. Okay. I mean, you took Latin, so
I was
going to
say, one of us took 4 years of Latin.
Accio.
And any chance I get to bring it up, I will. I will. I like this blush.
Accio. What do they say in the movies? Accio, right?
Accio. It's not an SH.
I'm trying to think of what they say in the movie, though.
I don't know. I think they say Accio. Like soft C. You Accio.
The drama. The elegance. Look how cute. Have you showed this already on your channel?
I don't think so.
Look how cute this is. It's a Zodiac palette by...
That's in collaboration with Caitland Lights. It's a color pop palette that Caitland did with, with ColourPop.
Look at all the colors.
And HALYN's into Zodiac stuff, so.
I'm just very into Zodiac stuff.
While I drink Starbucks. God.
I know. So much fun doing makeup here.
Everyone come over.
I literally brought all of the makeup I own in that bag. This is like...
Yeah, you guys can't see the rolling cart.
The Dramarama Complama.
And this, and there's a lot. There's a lot of makeup here. But I've taken it in my time and collected over the years. And also, you know, gone into extreme debt.
Oh,
I'm just kidding.
My God.
Sold my soul to Satan. This is the Sugar Pill and Trixie palette. On the inside it has this blush that I will never ever wear. It is the pinkest. But I'm gonna use all of these colors on my eyes.
There's so many colors on this.
I want you to have options.
The range is like bonks. I mean, I'm excited about it, but it's like super crazy orange, very shiny teal, a nice nude. I'm gonna put Cancer, the Cancer color on my brow bone.
I'm gonna put Cancer on my brow bone.
Okay, but to be fair, I'm a freelance illustrator.
Yes.
I work for my house.
Why did you put that in quotes?
I don't know what I did with my hand. Did
I
I
went
quotes?
illustrator.
No, I think I was like drawing.
Oh, okay. I was like,
in case you didn't.
Why did you quote
In case you
illustrator?
I'm a freelance illustrator. I don't know why I had to like...
I'm rubbing off on
mime
you.
it.
You have to have hand motions. It's something about the camera that does it to you.
Oh my god.
It makes you desire hand motions. But yes, you were saying you're an illustrator.
So like I don't need to like wear makeup. I'm at my house. Who am I gonna impress? Me?
She acts like I wear makeup to my job.
I don't know
where
what you do. I don't know your life.
Where I wipe butts. I never ever wear makeup to work, and pretty sure most of the parents, if they found out I had this channel, would be like, do they let people who don't wear makeup have beauty YouTube channels? That's weird. I don't see why I would want your advice.
I've never used a brow pencil.
That's not true. You have a brow pencil.
Oh, I'm sorry. I've used my brow pencil for eyeliner.
Wait,
it came in a
exclusively
pack.
Use it for eyeliner?
It came in a pack. It was like a brow pack. And I was like, well, I'm grateful for this gel, but I don't know what this is. So I'm very excited to use this right now. Start using a brow pencil. This is fun.
It's the best, I'm telling you. You need a brow wiz. Everyone needs a brow wiz. If you don't have a brow wiz, why do you hate yourself?
Why do you do this to yourself? You deserve more.
You deserve better than that.
Carol, you deserve more.
Brenda?
Richard?
John?
Annabelle? Oh! I thought you farted.
Let's Let's be real, it'd be way louder than that.
I'm almost done. Are you almost done?
Yeah. Alright. We're coming up on the finish line.
I'm gonna use It by Superhero. You have so many pretty lipsticks.
Thank you.
It's hard not to just like get distracted.
Did I pick you a lipstick?
Oh,
you get
wow.
to pick whatever lipstick you want
Oh,
now.
wow.
She got lucky. She gets to pick any lipstick.
I'm gonna pick the sparkliest, pinkest, princessiest color.
Good. As you should.
Okay, to be fair, using all of her makeup, I want to buy everything.
It's an addiction. It's a problem. Once you start, you can't stop.
Once you pop, you can't stop. That can be your motto. No one's ever used that.
What do you think, guys? Welcome to my channel. Once you pop, you can't stop. Today we're going to talk about blending.
Oh my god. This mascara is not playing games.
This It by Superhero.
I love It by Superhero. Look at that. That is wild.
She likes it.
I wish I could come here every day and just use all of these products.
Come on. Move back.
Oh my god, don't tempt me.
Don't tempt me, Frodo. Just over here doing my mascara.
Oh my god.
I don't know what's funny. Please look at what I've done to myself. Please observe. Y'all, I just made the mistake that everyone makes. So if this ever happens to you and you stab your inner corner with black mascara, let it dry down completely and then it'll literally come right off if you just let it dry first. I'm gonna leave this here for a minute and just ignore it. Moving on.
What was I gonna do? Oh, I get to pick a lipstick.
Yeah, so
Oh my god.
she's gonna walk off for a moment and come peruse the lipsticks. What would I suggest?
Yeah, because you meant to pick out a color.
I was gonna give you like a neutral and then a bold color.
Whoa, it's darker than I thought. It's like kind of purpley.
I hate putting on mascara.
Really?
Yeah, it's like my worst, my least favorite part of doing my makeup.
I once knew a girl who was left-handed. She was like, putting on mascara is mascara is so much harder if you're left-handed.
Oh, bless her heart.
And I was like,
oh wow.
what?
She needs a moment.
What?
Let's all take a moment for her, actually.
It's
Poor
so
thing.
much harder.
Yeah, get that lip, baby. I'm about to join you in lips, I swear. I'm just gonna finish this
In lips.
lip.
Join me in lips.
Join you in Lipland.
I
Echo mascara.
I feel like I look great.
I think you look fantastico. All right, I'm going super pink because that is the option that I was given. Super pink.
It's the prettiest color though.
It looks pretty in the tube. I have to say, oh.
I feel so pretty. I feel like a Barbie doll. Like a really mean looking Barbie doll. Hi, Ken.
Does this have glitter in it?
Yes, Mom. But the glitter is so pretty.
It doesn't go with this eye at all, but it's okay, guys. We're gonna make it work. All right, I think we just need to set our faces.
Oh yeah.
Are you ready to set?
For the drama.
Ready, set, go. Get it? Set.
Oh my god, I didn't get it. And that's,
I hate myself.
I don't know which is worse, the joke or the fact that I didn't get it.
Both. Both. All right, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed us switching our bags, switching our styles a little bit. We might look a little cuckoo, but all right, I look cuckoo. She looks actually, I think you look really great. I look like a hot mess with my ghost foundation and my pink ass lips.
Oh my god.
But I had a lot of fun. I'm glad you were here to be on my channel as my first guest ever. This is my best friend of 10 years and I love her and I'm glad you were here.
And I designed her logo. Ooh.
Yes, HALYN did all of the artwork that you see on my channel, my logo, my little thumbnail. I'm gonna leave all her socials down below in the description box, so go follow her on Instagram, check out all of her work, her Society 6 page where you can purchase her stuff. And of course, you'll find all my info there. I hope you guys loved this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing to my channel. Give this video a like if you want to see more of my friends do crazy junk like this. I really enjoyed it. And I will see you guys in 2019. Bye!